So you mix the color, or you put water in the tie-dye until that black line. Shake it up for 20 seconds. We're going to start applying it. We got to go. So I can't really record. I'll show you the end result once it's done. Okay, so you see the increase. I'm going to do yellow here. And guys, you might want to wear gloves because this stuff gets messy. It is dye after all. So I'm just going to put some yellow right in there, just like that. I'm going to touch up some other yellow parts that I had earlier, just to ensure that the color is very popping and strong. And let's see what else we got going on in here. So I did the 3X long tee. Remember those old long sleeve tees back in the day? The all white ones? Yeah. So I've got some areas I still got to hit. I want to do... Okay, which color should I put right here? I'm thinking I might go with some more red. Because J13 is upon us. We gotta get that red in there real quick. Ooh. Ooh. It's a red out. Ooh. Let's get it in there. I'm just gonna put purple here. Right there. Put purple right here. And there's no right or wrong way in tie-dye, okay? So however you want to get creative with it, you can just go all the way out like that. So I'm going to do a flirt of... I'm going to take some spots that I missed earlier.